A coffee table isn't just a piece of furniture, it's the main focus of your living room. It's where you spend time with friends and family, relax after a busy day, and sip your morning coffee. That's why, when picking the best wood for your coffee table, you need something strong that adds a bit of elegance to your home. Today, we'll discuss the top 5 luxurious wood options for your coffee table. But before we get started, there's something you really need to see. If you're into woodworking or just getting started, I have the perfect resource for you. Ted's Woodworking. Picture this: you get instant access to more than 16,000 woodworking projects. That's right, 16,000. These are ready-to-use plans with clear step-by-step instructions, detailed drawings, and photos that make every project easy, even if you only have basic tools or a small workspace. Honestly, it's a total game changer. So if you're planning to build something like a coffee table or any other woodworking project, don't miss Ted's video. The link is in the description below. First, let's talk about the classic and always stylish option, solid oak. This type of wood is very strong and long-lasting, making it a great pick for a coffee table that can be passed down through the years. Its lovely grain design and warm colors bring a bit of class to any space. Then, there's walnut wood, which is often used for top quality furniture. Walnut is famous for its deep, dark shade and sleek look, giving your coffee table a refined feel. The natural oils in walnut also help protect it from scratches and dents, making it a smart choice for daily use. If you want a wood that looks better as it gets older, cherry wood is a great choice. Its reddish-brown color becomes darker over time, giving your coffee table a special and rich look. Cherry wood has a fine grain and a smooth surface, making it both attractive and strong. Another high-quality option is mahogany wood. This dark, reddish-brown wood has been used to create top-quality furniture for hundreds of years. Its fine grain and smooth surface give it an elegant appearance, and its natural ability to resist pests and rot makes it a durable choice for your coffee table. Finally, we have a type of wood that is famous for its beauty and flexibility, maple wood. Its light, creamy color and soft grain pattern make it easy to match with any interior design. But don't be fooled by its gentle look. Maple is strong and tough, perfect for handling daily use. And remember, if you're excited to start your own project, take a look at Ted's Woodworking. It offers more than 16,000 woodworking plans, making it the perfect guide for anyone, whether you're just starting out or have years of experience. You'll get clear, step-by-step instructions for every project, so you can build with confidence. Check the link in the description to begin. So, here are the top 5 luxurious wood options for your coffee table. Whether you like the classic and never out-of-style look of oak, the classy feel of walnut, the polished elegance of cherry, the old-fashioned charm of mahogany, or the flexible beauty of maple, there's a wood type that will match your style and bring a bit of luxury to your living space.